In a bowl, add 5 eggs, 175 grams of sugar, vanilla extract to taste. In my bowl I have 160 grams of flour. To that I add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix in 35 grams of ground walnuts. Bake it in a preheated oven on 170 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. In a pan, add 5 tablespoons of milk, 8 tablespoons of sugar. Bring this to a boil or medium heat. Add in 120 grams of ground walnuts. In my bowl I have 150 grams of butter. To that I add in my walnut mixture. In my bowl I have 100 milliliters of double cream. To that I add vanilla extract to taste. Add your double cream to your walnut buttery mixture. I have already cut my cake into 3 layers and I'm going to spread the cream in between. Place your cake in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!